Hello Vanguards. In today's video, I've got exclusive access to our beta testing for our vAPP. Now some of you guys have helped us this weekend, and if you're interested in joining in all the fun, check out our Discord, tag a staff member or an ambassador, and we'll get you signed up. Okay? So assuming you've already set up your wallet, you've done your 24 seed phrase, you've done your KYC, this is what the screen is going to look like, okay? I'm going to go ahead and log in and unlock my screen. And on the main screen, you have send and receive options, just like you would see with many other wallets. You can look at previous transactions, which as you can tell, we have been very busy this weekend. And as an example, I'm going to send some Vitreus to another person who's part of the program. So let's do a quick test transaction. I'm going to send some Vitreus to someone's address I've already got on my clipboard. So I'm just going to click here, choose paste. We're going to choose 150 Vitreus and then hit next. And then at the bottom, you see where it says insufficient V energy. It's because we don't have any. That's not part of the test yet. So what this application is doing is going to take some extra VTRS, sell it to the broker for V energy so that I can do the transaction. We're going to hit confirm, and that's it. We're done. I'm going to close this and go back to my transaction history. We're going to refresh it a few times until that one, there it is right there, 150 shows up. So you can see the 150 Vitreus has already gone to my recipient, and it's that easy. For receiving, you can do the same thing. Or you can be next to your friend or whomever, and they can scan your barcode. This is my QR code to send transactions. You can also share it by copying it to your clipboard and send it to a person, and that might be a private message or whatever. But that's really simple. Very cool. The V node and the energy tabs aren't available yet, but that's not part of the beta testing. But I do have one other thing I want to show you guys real quick, and that is our blockchain explorer. So this is our blockchain explorer. It shows transaction history, peaks and valleys of what the average price was for our G-Volt, which again is sort of similar to Gwei. On the Ethereum network, it's called Gwei. Here it's called G-Volt. You can see how many transactions were done each day. On this Monday, where there was 11, the average price was 1 G-Volt. And then we have 47, 30, and on Wednesday, the average weight price was 1.05 G-Volt. So there are some variances we see day over day, which is very exciting to see. You can also scroll down and see the transaction history. You can see all of the blocks, the recent transactions. What's really neat is the nodes tab. These are the current test nodes we have in the network, but as we roll out our V nodes and people get them online, they will show up here on this list. If you're a nerd like me, you can look at the blocks transactions, the block ID, how much the amount was for, the validator address, all the information that people like me like to understand. So if you're interested in checking out our Explorer, here's the URL at the top, and I'll also put the link in the video description. That's it. Short and sweet. Very simple. If you're interested in helping us beta test the vAPP, join our Discord, tag a staff member or an ambassador, and we'll get you signed up. If you're interested in looking at our Explorer, the URL will also be in the video description, but the URL is right here. URL is right here. Explorer-testnet.complyq.io, and then you're good to go. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys.